Working on my old buddy Rick feeder. He's had it for about 3 years. Squirrels got a hold of this pretty bad. You see, we've been doctoring it up a little bit. See that right there? That's what it looked like before, right there. So we're getting him back in shape. Basically wanted to show you guys just some simple stuff to maybe carry with you in the woods. Just a little bit of mesh wire right here. Get in a small roll like this right here. Pretty cheap. Get some peel and seal. Same Lowe's. Picked up some T-Rex. This is a rubberized tape. So just some simple stuff like that, and then have your little hot iron, something like this. Keep with you. I'm gonna trim this. You can see this is a pair of scissors. It don't take much. Basically what I'm gonna do, weld it to the plastics, patch that hole, just to give it some reinforcement right there. You just hold it down. I'm just holding it on right on the edge of the metal. And then the plastic will actually just kind of like rebar and concrete. Just kind of reinforcing it. And once you get all the metal attached to the plastic, you take one of these peel and seal, or even the T-Rex stuff. That T-Rex stuff's pretty expensive though. That peel and seal, I can't remember it, but it wasn't much. But main goal I'm after is to keep your feed dry. This don't happen a lot. Matter of fact, this is only about the 3rd time I guess I've heard about it. And Rick asked me if he's gonna throw it away. He says, anything to do with this, I'm gonna throw it away. And I said, no, keep it. We're gonna do a video here to show you how simple it is to fix. Just have a few simple items with you. You know, some people argue, well, you just need a metal feeder. You know, I think there's a place for all kinds of feeders, metal, plastic, whatever. But, you know, I always had trouble with metal feeders sweating and my feed getting all caked up and everything like that. I've never had that issue with one of these. This is lightweight. Throw it on my shoulder, take it back in the woods as far as I want to go. I can run any kind of feed I want to run through it. If I want to run a blend of stuff, I run a blend. If I want to run powder, I can run powder through this one. Not as good as the rice bran feeder we got, but you blend it a little bit with some corn or something like that, it'll be just fine. And like I say, this one, you know, Rick said he was right in the middle of a bunch of pines, made it pretty easy access for the squirrels to jump on, etc. We actually just met a guy in Louisiana is making we're going to start doing some testing. That'll be another video here coming up pretty soon. He's got some stuff that basically to deter rodents. He made it for indoors. We're going to test it underneath we're going to put it right. Basically what I'm going to do is put it right underneath here, underneath there. You can't get wet. And we're going to check it basically to make sure it don't scare deer off. But he's having really, really good success with it, keeping rats, squirrels, all kinds of rodents away. And so we're going to see if it'll keep squirrels away from this thing, but the deer still come eat. if that works, then we on something pretty good, because we're already got the coons figured out. We can handle bear. We can just keep them suckers from gnawing holes in this thing. We'll be in business. Anyway, right there's you can see it. Just thin metal. I just welded it in there. And I'm gonna take, this time I'm gonna use the T-Rex. It's a rubberized materials tape. Don't need all of that, probably. Let me get scissors. We can go about 4 inches there. Okay. Alright, so you can see, we're just gonna, something like this will be real simple to carry with you in your side by side or even 4-wheeler pack, just to have, you know, in case you get in there, a bear's bit a hole in it, or squirrels actually chewed through a spot like this. And you've seen the whole process I just did right there. And boom. Not too bad. All right,